If you're tired of waiting for hot water at your sink, an under-sink water heater can be the perfect upgrade. In this video, we'll review the top 5 under-sink water heaters in 2025 that combine convenience, energy efficiency, and compact design. Let's start with the ThermoMate ES150 mini-tank water heater. This compact unit holds 1.32 gallons of hot water and is specifically designed for quick installation under sinks. It runs on a standard 120-volt outlet, making it ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or small workspaces. The ES150 heats water quickly and maintains temperature well, so you can enjoy instant access without relying on your home's central water system. It's UL listed for safety and comes with both wall and floor mounting options. While its small tank is perfect for hand washing or light dishwashing, it may not be suitable for heavy back-to-back usage. Still, it's one of the most user-friendly models for everyday sink use, and it offers excellent value for homeowners or RV users alike. Next is the BOSCH TRONIC 3000 TES4, which offers a larger 4-gallon tank and an equally compact form factor. BOSCH has a long-standing reputation for quality, and this model lives up to it with a glass-lined tank for long-term durability and corrosion resistance. Operating at over 98% thermal efficiency, it delivers consistent hot water with minimal standby heat loss. The BOSCH ES4 connects to a 120-volt outlet and can be installed independently or in line with your home's existing system. It's ideal for larger under-sink tasks like food prep or washing multiple sets of dishes. However, because it's a tank-style heater, there's a slight delay to recover hot water after full depletion. Still, for mid-size needs and premium build quality, the TRONIC 3000T is one of the best performers in its class. Third on the list is the BN Link 2.7-gallon mini-tank water heater, a great balance between size and capacity. It fits easily under sinks and provides just enough hot water for kitchens or bathrooms without the bulk of a full-size tank. Its 1440-watt heating element ensures quick warm-up times, and the ETL certification guarantees safety in residential environment. The unit is easy to install with adjustable temperature controls and a built-in pressure relief valve. For households needing a medium-capacity heater that runs on a regular outlet, the BN Link is a dependable and cost-effective solution. It may not be suited for heavy commercial use, but for residential sinks and utility areas, it's a solid performer. Fourth is the ECOTINYMACH 3000-watt tankless electric water heater, offering an instant hot water solution without any tank at all. Running on a 110-volt power source, it delivers on-demand hot water at the point of use and is small enough to fit even in the tightest spaces. It features a digital temperature display, allowing users to monitor and adjust settings with ease. This unit is ideal for homes, RVs, or outdoor sinks where tank storage isn't feasible. Since it's tankless, you'll never run out of hot water, although it may struggle to maintain higher temperatures in colder regions or at higher flow rates. That said, if you're looking for speed and space efficiency, the ECOTINYMACH is a strong under-sink choice. Finally, we have the CAMPLUX 6-kilowatt tankless electric water heater, designed for those needing more power under the sink. This model uses a 240-volt connection and features self-modulating technology, which adjusts power consumption based on water flow and demand. This improves both efficiency and performance. The CAMPLUX unit offers consistent temperature control, minimal standby loss, and a compact wall-mounted design that suits any modern kitchen or bathroom. Its higher wattage makes it capable of handling higher flow rates compared to 110-volt model, which is especially useful in larger households. However, it does require a dedicated electrical connection, so installation may need professional support. If you're upgrading your bathroom or kitchen and want a high-output tankless model, the CAMPLUX 6-kilowatt is a smart and reliable choice. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your sink experience with fast, efficient hot water, these top-rated under-sink water heaters are the best choices for 2025.